So this fifth sunscreen reco ko sa inyo guys, as in pinuntahan ko talaga ito sa mall kasi nung ang pag-check ko sa mga online platforms, as in nagkaubusan talaga mga kapatids. And kung natatandaan niyo, tinry ko po yung Bright and Hydrate nila na variant and super nagustuhan ko po yung Hydrate. So I'm curious kung maganda ba itong matte version, okay? So if you have oily and you want a matte finish na sunscreen, you can try this one guys. So this is the Pond's UV Miracle Matte Sunscreen with SPF 50+, PA+++++. This is a chemical type na klase na sunscreen, still broad spectrum guys, and based on my research, itong product na to, use 5 classic na sunscreen filters. Ilalagay ko po dito sa screen for your reference. Ang itsura naman po ng mismong product ay para po siyang lotion. Actually, kapag pinagtabi mo yung Bright, Hydrate, and itong matte, kung titingnan mo lang siya, alam mo yung pag-dispense mismo sa component guys, parang same na same lang talaga mga kapatids. Pero, madidetermine mo yung pinagkaiba nila kapag in-apply mo na talaga sa skin. So, itong matte guys, it's fast absorbing, lightweight. Of course, matte ang kanyang finish. So, legit po yung claim. So, bagay na bagay to those na merong oily skin. Wala po itong white cast. So, napaka-perfect for daily use. This is not fragrance-free, pero ang scent po ng sunscreen na to ay hindi naman po disturbing. This is dermatologically tested. This is made in Indonesia. And this is priced for 500 pesos for 50 grams. So, clearly, itong sunscreen na to is best to those na merong oily and acne-friendly din pala ito mga kapatids kasi based on my research, this contains salicylic acid that helps unclog pores and niacinamide that help reduce redness and control oil. So, yeah, overall guys, I can highly recommend this to those na merong oily and acne-prone skin.